Hi, this is David from Smart World. We are in a Hyundai i30n fast charge, and also, of course, this is compatible. This video is for all i30n's generation models of Hyundai, and we're going to show you the wireless Android Auto wireless CarPlay adapter, the CPAA, and how easy it is to use, so you don't have to worry about connecting your mobile phone wirelessly. So it's just a plug and play to the USB port, and that's it. And of course you can use a double side tape and put it on the top, so you don't have to see it anymore, and you can use the charging mat on the bottom. And once you plug in the device, you just wait a few seconds for the device to be recognized by the car radio. We're going to show you first CarPlay, and it's connecting now with my iPhone. So it's connecting now. In a few seconds, going to be up and running and connected. And of course, because this device is a 2-in-1 wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay, it works with both iPhones and Androids. And here we go. We have wireless CarPlay in the CPAA working. So all the maps, as you can see, is really fast, reliable. We're gonna play some music as well. So Spotify is loading. We're just gonna put. We can use the steering wheel controls as well. As you can see, play music from here. Sound quality is excellent, and of course you can use the steering wheel controls as well. So so great solution, great device, easy to use, wireless CarPlay, and with all the different apps you have, as you can see, very smooth and fast. Now we're going to show you wireless Android Auto in a second. Now we are testing the Android Auto, wireless Android Auto solution. I turn on a split screen, which is a new feature on the CPAA latest version, which is going to show you the wireless Android Auto in a nicer version, split screen, as you can see, with the maps and everything. And yeah, it just works exactly the same way as a wireless Android Auto. Music and everything. The steering wheels work perfectly well, and of course you can go to the main screen for all the different apps you have available. Yep, so everything is there for you. Maps, music available. So a great solution. Easy to use, the wireless Android Auto wireless CarPlay CPAA from Smart World. And if you want to find more, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.